Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. And this is Michael's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit does not have any transmit, and so we want to troubleshoot the handset, the main PC board. And so we will go through the main PC board and find out why it does not have any transmit. There can be many reasons why these units will not have transmit. So we'll go ahead and troubleshoot. Now we also want to mention another issue that this unit has, and it's a pretty common problem. Basically what happens on the handset cover, which you need to take off to get to the battery, there's a couple of guides here, and they kind of slide into the handset and lock into position. Now this was a great design, but the flaw is the manufacturer did not use enough material for the slides, and they break off because it's a little confusing how you get the cover off, and some people don't really know, and so they end up prying on it and it breaks these little slides off. And so we built them back up, and they should be okay now as long as the handset cover is taken off and put back on the proper way. So basically what happens is this sets on the handset, so it's all one piece once it's all together. There's a couple of little knockout areas for the slides. So basically what you have to do is you have to kind of get the slides on the cover into those areas and then slide it back and it locks into place. There's actually a button on the end of the handset that you press in, and it kind of presses a little bit of a release in there. And so you're supposed to push that button in and pop the handset up just a little bit, just so that it removes. And so that's how you take it off and put it back on. And we'll do that one more time. We'll go ahead and put it into its area, and then it'll kind of click into place. So if the handset cover for the battery is removed properly, the slides that we had to build up will probably last. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs, and we want to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this amplified pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We also want to mention that this is a cordless telephone, so the base unit and handset interchange frequencies, and the amplifier can pick those stray frequencies up, and we'll try to show you that in the final checkout. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. Every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now what we want to do is go ahead and show you the frequencies that are interchanged from the handset and base. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation. We'll call it time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, July 16th. The current time, 1:23 p.m. and the temperature, 93 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Michael and he can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. Now these units are very sought after. They no longer make this model and people really want to have them repaired. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.